Hey Mike, it's Mary Lotta at Toolman. Sorry my first video didn't have any sound. I was having some issues with my computer system, but I went back through to that 2615 McLean Circle job to see if it was still having the same issue, and it was. Jay suggested that I try it on a different job, and I just did a minute ago, and it is still giving me the same error message even in a different job when I try to Conga Sign. So I just wanted to make this video with sound so you could see kind of what's going on. So here I'm in the quote and I go to hit proposal, and here under output change it to Conga Sign and then click merge and Conga Sign. It takes a while to get through that merge process. I feel like longer than it really should, but I haven't had a ton of experience with this, so I could be wrong. So when it gets to that finalizing stage, the little window goes away and it says this error message about an ISO 8601 date being invalid. I'm not really sure what that means, but hopefully that's something that you can get figured out for us. I appreciate your help. If you have any other questions about this for me, just let me know. Thanks.